We are here at 488 Rolling Pines. A nice little cul-de-sac. Nice big driveway. Does have the French drain here in the corner. Irrigation system. Looks like it's freshly painted. Siding, fascia, soffit look good. Nice big backyard. Got one board there sticking out a little bit. It's probably need to be replaced. Roof looks pretty good. Fire pit sitting area. Some nice pavers. Buried propane tank here. The rest of the siding looks really good, except for just the one board. Nice big porch. Okay, looks like they have LVP here. Flooring paint trim looks good shape. They did not paint the quarter round after they put the new LVP down, so not sure if they're going to leave it that way or paint it. Butler's pantry. This leads out to the garage, I'm sure. Awesome cabinets. Really nice cabinetry here. Yeah, garage is well done. Coat closet. The laundry area. Not soft close. This is Tech-Beck boarding. This is not wood. Definitely an upgrade. Screened-in porch. Ceiling looks good. Yeah, nicely done here. I do have the speakers in the ceilings for surround sound. Gas log fireplace. Nice big room here. So, second living room, office area. Because the dining's over there. Carpet's in good shape. Walls look good. Yeah, nice and clean. So this is obviously the primary, and it does have the little office area here attached to the primary. Another closet. Big jetted tub, nice tile shower. Home's nice and clean, carpet is in really good shape. Okay. Interesting ceiling here in this spare bedroom. Okay, bonus slash bedroom does have the closet. Nice big room here. Okay, decent sized bedroom. So this one is a true 4-bedroom with the primary up. Good looking house. That's it for this one.